Most traders believe they don't have enough capital to trade properly. But in reality, the problem usually isn't the lack of money. It's where that money is sitting. A large part of any investor or trader's wealth is locked inside long-term delivery stocks. And these investments sit quietly in your demat account, while trading capital is managed separately in cash. This is a cash shortfall problem, not a capital shortage problem. And that's exactly what pledging is designed to solve. Pledging allows you to use your existing delivery stocks as collateral to generate trading margin without selling your holdings. Your shares remain safe in your demat account. You continue to own them. You will also continue receiving dividends, splits, bonus issues, and all other corporate action benefits. These stocks are simply marked as collateral with your broker. And against this collateral, you receive margin without any interest because you're not really borrowing money. You're just unlocking the value of your assets that you currently own. Pledging improves efficiency by reusing your existing capital and helping you not maintain large cash balances in your account. Used correctly, pledging helps traders in various ways. Firstly, avoid selling long-term investments when you require cash. 2. Improve capital utilization. 3. Structure your option selling strategies properly. 4. Manage risk without forcing trades. And lastly, it helps you generate an extra return on your capital that is already lying in stocks. On Sahi, pledging is simple and transparent. You pledge your eligible stocks and the margin becomes available for option selling, buying and selling of futures, and intraday trading in less than 15 minutes. Most importantly, Sahi does not charge any interest on pledge margin. You're not borrowing. You're just putting your idle assets to work. On Sahi, you can pledge 1000 plus stocks and get up to 94% margin on your holding value. Let's walk through it step by step and see how this works. On the Sahi app, you can visit the fund section to now view your pledge balance. Clicking on pledge, you can now see the total available margin that will be provided to you when you pledge your stocks. This helps you plan your capital better and manage your cash efficiently. Now, on clicking on pledge and get margin, this takes you to the next screen. Here, you can see the entire breakup at a stock level and understand what shares will give you how much margin along with the haircut that would be applied. You can also select or unselect stocks from this list so that you can plan your pledging properly. Now, clicking the pledge button takes you to the CDSL verification screen. Here, you need to enter the OTP for verifying your pledge request. And just like that, pledging is now successfully complete. Now, in less than 15 minutes, you will receive this margin directly in your trading account. So after entering the OTP, I just got myself a coffee. And in just a few minutes, my pledge is now complete. Let me show you. As you can see, my pledge margin is now updated. I have received my entire trading margin without adding any cash into my account. Going into pledge history, you can see the status of individual pledge requests that you had placed, and in the margin received section, you can also see which of your stocks are pledged and with what quantity. This allows you to manage your pledge holdings easily and with clarity.